Hello Vita, today we are discussing about your next chapter, Evans Tries an O Level, written by Colin Dexter. A little bit about your author, Colin Dexter. Full name is Norman Colin Dexter. Was born in 29 September 1930 and died in 21st March 2017. Was an English crime writer known for his Inspector Merrow's series of novels, which were written between 1975 and 1999 and were adapted as a टीवी सीरीज। हम कॉलिन डेक्स्टर के बारे में बात की है। कॉलिन डेक्स्टर का पूरा नाम नॉर्मन कॉलिन डेक्स्टर था। उनका जन्म 29 सितंबर 1930 को हुआ था और उनकी मृत्यु 21 मार्च 2017 को हुई थी। वो एक इंग्लिश क्राइम राइटर थे। उनको उनकी जो एक डिटेक्टिव स्टोरीज़ हैं, मैरोज सीरीज ऑफ नॉवेल्स के बारे में जाना जाता है, जो कि उन्होंने 1975 से लेके 1999 के बीच में लिखी थी और फिर बाद में एक टीवी सीरीज के रूप में भी उसे दिखाया गया था। ओके, लिटिल बिट इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट द चैप्टर। द स्टोरी इवांस tries an O level is about a cunning prisoner, means clever prisoner, Evans, who makes a plan to escape from the prison on the day of his German language O level exam. The jail authorities, on the other hand, are ready to cover up any sort of risk while he able to succeed in his escape. ओके, ये जो चैप्टर है ये किसके बारे में है? एक क्लेवर प्रिजनर के बारे में है जो कि जेल से भागने के लिए क्या बहाना करता है, जर्मन ओ लेवल की परीक्षा देना चाहता है और जेल की जो अथॉरिटी है उसकी बात से सहमत हो जाते हैं और ये रिस्क उठाने के लिए भी तैयार हैं। विल ही एबल टू सक्सीड इन हिज एस्केप, क्या वो वहाँ से भागने में कामयाब हो जाता है? चलो देखते हैं, पढ़ते हैं चैप्टर फिर देखते हैं। Here are main characters. We are discussing your first character, the secretary of the examination board. Governor of HM Prison, Oxford, James Evans, a prisoner. Your central character, Mr. Jackson, another character, a person, a prison officer. Another, Stephens, a prison officer. Mr. Rawood, as McCleary, an invigilator. And Mr. Carter, detective superintendent. Mr. Bell, detective chief inspector. Okay. All precautions have been taken to see to it that the O-level German examination arranged in the prison for Evans does not provide him with any means of escape. पूरी प्रिकॉशन बरती जाती है, उसके एग्ज़ाम की सेटअप कर दी जाती है और ऐसी प्रिकॉशन बरती जाती है कि जो इवान है जेल से भाग ना सके। ओके, it was in early March when the secretary of the examination board received a call from Oxford prison in the month of March. The secretary of the examination board received a call from Oxford prison. He said that it was a strange request. It was unusual request Governor, Chief Administrative, but I don't see why we shouldn't try to help. Just the one fellow you say. He said that it was a stranger case, but they wanted to help the person. He also confirmed that there was just one person as he had said. That's it. Chap called Evans started night classes in O level German last September. Says he has dead keen to get some sort of academic qualifications. The governor confirmed that there was only one person for the examination and named Evans. He also told him that Evans started taking night classes in O level of German language last September. Says he has dead keen to get some sort of academic qualifications. He was interested in achieving educational qualifications. Is he any good? He was the only one in the class, so you can say he has had individual tuition all the time. Really would have cost him a packet if he had been outside. The secretary asked whether Ivan was good at studies or not. The governor replied that he was the only one who attended classes, so we can infer that he received individual tuition for the said course. Taking such a class outside the prison would have cost him a lot of money. Well, let us give him a chance, shall we? That's a jolly kind of you. What exactly the procedure now? फिर जो एग्जामिनेशन बोर्ड का जो सेक्रेटरी है वो चांस दे देता है और गवर्नर उनका धन्यवाद करता है कि आपकी बहुत मेहरबानी होगी। फिर गवर्नर उनसे प्रोसीजर पूछता है कि प्रोसीजर क्या है। वो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, आई विल बी सेंडिंग यू ऑल द फॉर्म्स एंड स्टफ्स। व्हाट इज हिज नेम, यू से इवांस। क्या कह देता है? The secretary replied that he would send all the forms required for the examination. He asked the prisoner name and the governor replied, James Roderick Evans. It sounded rather grand. Governor replied his name was James Roderick Evans. And just on think, Governor, he is not a violent sort of fellow, is he? He didn't want to know his criminal record or anything like that, but on hearing this, the secretary agreed to give him a chance. And the secretary also sought clarification whether Ivan was a violent person or not. The governor said that there was no such record. Just one thing, no, there is no record of violence, quite a pleasant sort of chap. They tell me, bit of card, really. One of the stars of the Christmas concert, imitation, you know, the sort of thing Mike Yar would stop. No, he's just congenital kleptomanic. Congenital means natural, heritage. Kleptomanic means a person suffering from kleptomania. Kleptomania means a very strong wish to steal that you cannot control. चोरी करने की छोटी मोटी बीमारी जिसको कि कंट्रोल ना किया जा सके. But he thought better of it. He had looked after that particular side of things himself. Here, the secretary also clarifies whether Ivan was a violent person or not. The governor said that there was no such record. He was a nice person, bit humorous, and was a star at the Christmas musical performance. He compared him to the comedian Mike Yarwood because of his coping acts. He also added that he suffered from kleptomania, which urged him to steal. The governor wanted to tell something more but decided that he would keep a check on that. यहाँ पे जो एग्जामिनेशन बोर्ड का जो सेक्रेटरी है इवांस के बारे में जानना चाहता है कि कहीं कोई हिंसक क्रिमिनल तो नहीं है. तो जवाब में एचएम प्रिजनर का जो गवर्नर है वो क्या जवाब देता है कि नहीं, वो ऐसा व्यक्ति नहीं है, उसका ऐसा कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं है, बल्कि क्या है वो तो एक क्रिसमस जो कंसर्ट होती है उसका एक मेंबर भी है और जो फेमस जो कॉमेडियन है मार्क यारवुड उसकी एक कॉपी है. नाउ इज जस्ट अ कोइंसिडेंटल क्लिप्टोमैनिक. साथ में ये भी कह देता है कि वो उसे केवल छोटी मोटी चोरी करने की बीमारी है. बट ही थॉट बेटर ऑफ इट. द गवर्नर वॉज टेम्प्टेड टू ऐड समथिंग. गवर्नर कुछ और भी बताना चाहता है लेकिन फिर रुक जाता है कि नहीं. He had look he would look after that particular side of thing himself. फिर क्या सोचता है कि इसे मैं खुद देख लूंगा. ओके बेटे, थैंक यू.